Let me show you 4 reasons why this add friend option may be grayed out or may not even be available on a Facebook profile or your own Facebook profile. And I'll show you these 4 things in order, so try them in that order and see hopefully one of them solves your problem. Now, if you jump into a page and you don't see it and it looks like this, that means either you blocked them or they blocked you. So to find out if you blocked someone by accident, go to the menu here and let's go to settings and privacy, and then let's go to the privacy option under settings. So settings here, and there's an option here under the settings menu called blocking. Now here, all you have to do is if you accidentally block that person is unblock them. Press unblock next to their name. And now if I search for that person again, I could see that I could add them here as a friend. So being blocked or blocking someone causes this to disappear. Now the second option is you could only fix this if it's in your account or if you could ask the person to fix it on their account. But go back to this option again and let's go to settings here. And let's go down here under settings. There's an option under privacy settings one more time. And this one says who can send you a friend request. So if this is set to friends of friends, the other person won't be able to see add friends on yours. And if they set it to this, you won't see it on theirs unless you have mutual friends. So if this is set to this option, make sure it's set to everyone, and then that may solve your problem. Now, the third thing is sometimes you'll see this option that says follow and not add as friends. And because Facebook has a limit on how many friends you can have on a personal page, public figures will have this option, which is basically a fan page instead of a personal page. So they'll have a follow option and not an add friend option. And the fourth reason is that person has 5,000 friends already and they can't accept any more. There's a limit on Facebook of 5,000 friends. That's the most you could have unless you have a public or a fan page that I showed you where you get a follow. So on those pages, you can't send them a friend request unless they take a friend off and then they're under the 5,000 friends limit. So if you have someone on Facebook that you need to follow and they're at the 5,000 limit, you could ask them to remove someone they no longer need on their friends list. And that's basically the only 4 things that could be the reason why you don't see that friends option. So hopefully one of those was helpful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.